Good morning everyone! I'm having my brunch and ano bang mangyayari ngayong araw na to? Ayan, maglilinis lang. This is my first time doing this, so medyo hindi ko alam ang sasabihin ko. Ano bang sinasabi? So ayun, I'll just take you with me kung anong gagawin ko ngayong araw. Maglilinis na ako ng toilet, guys. Funny moments lang. Try ako bumili ng spray, pero ang nabili ko ay 48-hour deo spray. Pwede ba yan? Ito yung mga pang work na laundry. Hindi dapat siya makahalo sa ibang mga laundry.
Your locker is to the left. Please collect your parcel. Then close the door.
So guys, I'm done with my shower and I'm so happy that this day has been so productive. Ayan, tapos na ako maglinis and then, ayan, naligpit na din yung sa grocery. Ayan, so now it's time for unboxing. I have few boxes here. So, this is the most recent one I've got from Bobbi Brown and ito yung iba from Medjuri and Dermalis. So, dito na lang tayo. So guys, hindi ko alam kung saan mag-unboxing. Wala na yatang proper space. Char! So, I think dito na lang. So, we're gonna go in with... So guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa final spot for unboxing. So, we're gonna go in first with Bobbi Brown. And I'm really excited to open up this one because I thought that they will be sending one item. Yun yung sa eyebrow. So, ayan, feeling ko there's so much more inside. So, let's see. Ooh, of course, meron ulit siyang no. Ayan, vitamin enriched. And vitamin enriched eye base. Ayan siya. So, this is for the face and this is for the eyes. I've been using this one for quite some time now. I think for about a month or 2 months. They've sent me the same product before. So, this one is so nice for morning use kasi meron siyang primer. And ito naman sa face, never tried this one yet. Pero, parang feeling ko same sila. Same sila ng formula or... Ito siya. Almost the same, no? I think meron tong vitamin B, C. Oh, yan nga. Meron siyang vitamin B, C, and E. I'm really excited to use this one because I think this will be perfect for eye prep. Kasi naglalagay ako ng corrector and concealer. So, at least medyo smooth pag nilagay mo siya. So, I'm excited. Super excited. Ayan. And, ooh. Isa. Thank you so much, Bobbi! Meron pang microbrow pencil. Ito na yung akala ko ito lang yung darating. Pero meron pa pala. Ano? So thin. So nice. This is in espresso shade. Ayan, super nipis. So nice. Let's swatch. Ayan. Kapag ka nagpipili ako ng para sa eyebrows ko, I do not choose darker shades kasi ayan, super dark na siya. I'm leaning towards dark brown or kaya yung mga gray colors. So ayan, I'm really excited. Thank you. So the next one will be from, eto na lang, si Medjuri. Thank you so much, Medjuri. They're so generous. No? And, ooh, merong card. Find your perfect fit. Pero parang di naman to sing-sing. Ayan, meron siyang ring sizer. Let's open this. Ay. Very nice. It's very cute. It is such a nice hoop. Parang ano lang siya, parang elevated type of hoops. Parang ano siya, medyo bold hoops. I think this one is for Charlotte campaign. Ayan, ito yung bago nilang design. Thank you so much, Medjuri. So, the next one will be from Dermalis. I've got the same products. Parang a month ago, they sent me the same products. And ito yung set na yon. Their packaging is so sleek, by the way. So, ayan siya. And let's open up itong mga mini ones. Ito yung hindi ko pa na-check. Yung Dermalis Radiance Essential Products. I think these ones are yung parang, yung mini ones. Ayan. Yung cutie. Ayan, maliliit lang siya. This one is good for a month. And it includes 40 ml of ultra hydrating lactic cleanser, 30 ml of smoothing facial exfoliant, and ito yung maliit, yung serum. All Serum Skin Perfector. So, my most favorite among these three is itong All Serum Skin Perfector because it includes niacinamide, vitamin C, vitamin A, yan yung retinol, yan yung anti-aging, and also peptides. It treats dehydration, dullness, and redness. And also, it also serves as anti-aging. So, it's really perfect. And this is good for a month. Well, yung ano naman, yung mga regular size, I think it's more than 2 months, ganun. Kasi medyo malalaki talaga. Nandito yung ilagay ka na lang dito yung regular sizes nila. So, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Medyo konti lang naman siya. So, let's go out. Let's go out! So I'll be checking some emails and doing some paperworks. And so this is our mini workspace. Ayan, kapag hindi naman masyadong seryoso yung gagawin, dito kami sa living room. And ayun. So, tapusin ko lang to. And I'll see you. I'm almost done with my paperwork and I'm so happy. So whenever I try to feel inspired to do something for the day, I always do to-do list on my notebook. Ayan siya. And so whenever I missed out something, I get to check it the following day. Feels like para kang merong assignment. Ganon. Everyone, I'm almost close to my workplace and I think wrong decision na naka-sweatshirt ako. It's so hot.